Hi everyone, today my video is about records and variants. Records another name is structures and variants the name is unions. What do you mean by records? Record types allow related data of heterogeneous types to be stored and manipulated together. Some languages, that is Algol 68, C, C++, Common Lisp, it use the term structure and it declared with the keyword struct instead of record. In records, it is usually laid out continuously. There are possible holes for alignment reasons. There are smart compilers may rearrange fields to minimize holes. Implementation problems are caused by records containing dynamic arrays. There are another one is unions. Another name is variant records. It overlays space. It causes problems for type checking. Lack of tag means you don't know what is there. The ability to change tag and then access fields hardly better. It can make fields uninitialized when tag is changed. It can require assignment of entire variant as in ADA. This is a memory layout and its impact. It is a likely layout in memory for objects of type element in a 32-bit machine. Alignment restrictions led to the shaded holes. This is the memory layout of a record structure. Because the name field is only 2 characters long, it occupies 2 bytes in memory. Since atomic number is an integer and must be word aligned, there is a 2-byte hole between the end of a name and the beginning of the atomic number. Since Boolean variables occupy a single byte, there are 3 bytes of empty space between the end of a metallic field and the next aligned location. In an array of elements, most compilers would devote 20 bytes to every member of the array. In a language with a value model of variables, nested records are naturally embedded in the parent record where they function as large fields with word or double word alignment. In a language with a reference model of variables, the field of record type are typically references to data in another location. The difference is a matter not only of memory layout but also of semantics. This is the memory layout and its impact. This is a likely memory layout for packed element records. The atomic number and the atomic weight fields are non-aligned and can only be read or written via multi-instruction sequence. This is the memory layout and its impact. Rearranging record fields to minimize holes. By sorting fields according to the size of their alignment constraint, a compiler can minimize the space devoted to holes by keeping the fields aligned. This is the memory layout and its impact of unions. The value of naturally occurring field, it is shown here with a double border, determines which of the interpretation of the remaining space is valid. Type string pointer is assumed to be represented by a 4-byte pointer to dynamically allocated storage. This is all about records. I will come with the next video of arrays. Till then, bye.